Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive into Python functions. Functions are an essential part of any programming language, and Python is not exception. They help us to organize our code, make it reusable, and keep it clean. Let's start by understanding what functions are and why they are useful. A function in Python is a self-contained block of code designed to perform a specific task or a related group of tasks. You've probably encountered functions like id, len, or print in Python. These are built-in functions that perform specific operations. To call a function, you simply use its name followed by parentheses. If the function requires arguments, you provide them inside the parentheses. For example, calling the print function to display a message. When you write your own function, you define its behavior. This is called the function's implementation. Let's create a simple function that greets a user. Here is how you define and call a function in Python. As an example, the greet name and print hello name, and just call the greet function and run it. In this example, def is the keyword that tells Python we are defining a function. Greet is the name of the function. Name is a parameter that the function takes. The code inside the function is intended and performs the task of printing a greeting message. One major benefit of functions is that they help with abstraction and reusability. If you've written a piece of code, you can reuse it by placing it inside a function. This way you avoid copying and pasting the same code multiple times, which can lead to error and inconsistencies. For instance, if you frequently need to calculate the area of a circle, you can create a function for it. Functions also allow you to break down complex processes into smaller, more manageable parts. This makes your code easier to understand and maintain. Consider a program that reads data from a file, processes it, and writes the output to another file. Instead of having all this logic in one place, you can split it into 3 functions. You can define a def read data, file path, This way, each function has a single responsibility, making the code easier to debug and test. Another important aspect of functions is they create their own scope or namespace. This means variables defined inside the function are not accessible outside of it. This helps avoid name conflicts and keep your code clean. As an example, we define a def example function. Local variable equals I'm local to this function and print local variable. So now printing local variable outside of the scope would cause an error. This error happened because the scope of local variable is inside the function and we can't use it outside of it. And when we call the function, we don't see any error and the print works well. Sometimes you might want to define a function without implementing it right away. You can do it by creating a function stub using the pass keyword. This can be useful during the initial stage or development. Functions are a powerful tool in Python that help you to write clean, efficient, and reusable code. By using functions, you can break down complex tasks, avoid code duplication, and keep your programs organized. In the next lessons, we will dive deeper into more advanced topics like passing arguments, return values, and more. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials. See you in the next video.